I love this area because of this food. It's because everything is fresh and grilled. And I can't wait to eat, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and meet Nina Unrated. She's already on her way. I am 2 minutes away from this location, so let's get to it.
She parks so good. Oh my God, I love her. I love her. I'm early. I'm not supposed to be here till like 4 o'clock and it's 3:35 and I'm already here.
All right, we made it to this location, and yeah, guys, I am excited. But I am excited to have me some good food. Good food is the best thing, and have great company too. Anyway, Nina is here.